If you want to achieve maximum results with minimum effort, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to What's Life. If you want to know what's life and understand the meaning and purpose of life step by step, then don't miss any videos on this channel. The biggest difference between hard work and smart work is of strategy. Some people make a strategy and work smartly, while some people keep working hard like donkeys. There is a very low chance of success if you do any task without any strategy or planning. For example, to go somewhere new, the smart thing to do is to use Google Maps to find the quickest route, but if we just go on the basis of what we know, we might get lost or lose time. Strategy must be based on reality, and planning must be based on the ground level situation. Most people start planning without understanding the ground level situation and so make rubbish plans. If we do this, then there will be 100% clarity in us, which in turn brings confidence. It's like we have light in a room and we can walk everywhere easily because we can see everything. We, instead of understanding the reality, end up acting just as we think we know. So the more we understand the reality and then act, then we'll have that much more confidence, clarity and energy. But if we aren't clear and don't have enough energy, then we'll just do just as the others say. We need to find the easiest way out. But many people just get irritated by hearing the word easy, because according to them, life is hard. People who do smart work don't find anything hard. The meaning of smart work is making a hard looking task as easy as possible. Now, for this task, you have to be a bit lazy as well. Most people don't want to be lazy, they always say how to cure my laziness. But what I would say is that if you know how to use something, then anything that you have is not bad. It's all about how we use it. The thinking of making life easy is different from the whole world. Smart work is to make this life, which is hard for everyone, so easy that no one can imagine that it can be so easy. Most people only try to deal with the problems which are there in their life right now, due to which there are always unlimited problems in their life, because problems are never ending and they keep on rising. Smart work is finding a way to solve all problems forever. People doing hard work keep cutting down the leaves, while people who do smart work cut the root of the problem. Most people go to the sector where there is a lot of competition and keep working hard, while smart people go to a sector where there is no competition and they create their monopoly. We have to go on a different road than where the whole world is competing, so that we are not involved in a rat race. Then we can get maximum result with minimum effort. If you want to connect to What's Life on Facebook and Instagram, you can go to the description below. There are links of the Facebook and Instagram accounts. If you want to purchase some motivating clothing as well, the links are in the description below. If you love the video, give the like and stay tuned for more videos about life, and don't miss any of them to keep yourself motivated and enlightened about life. Hit the subscribe button as well if you really want to see more videos about life.